Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to talk about more of Aurora Cannabis shareholders are selling off their shares. As you can see, somebody exercised their shares at $4 and then sold at $12.12. So this guy named Alan John, he exercised at $4 and sold at $12. Cam Batley exercised 100,000 shares and for 100,000 shares of Aurora stock, but it's kind of weird that he exercised it at $0. So he got free shares basically. So if you calculate 100,000 shares at the current price of the stock right now, that means Cam Batley's a millionaire. He has $1.2 million. I don't know. I saw that, it was interesting. Even if shareholders are selling off, exercising the warrants and then selling off, I still don't think in the long run Aurora is gonna fall, but I could be wrong. Who knows? Who knows at the end of the day? But yeah, insiders are selling off the shares, and normally I would be concerned, but I'm not. I don't really think Aurora is gonna drop. I wouldn't buy Aurora at these prices anyways, but I still don't think Aurora is gonna drop. At the end of the day, the only people that can really move these stocks are rich millionaires. I can throw all my money in and I will not even affect the stock by a penny. At the end of the day, it's only rich people that can really affect this stock. Saw an interesting video of Cam Batley today. I'm just gonna play like a quick minute of this video, and then I'll talk about it. You guys can, I will link the description of the video below if you guys want to check it out. Click on it. Maybe I'll have it in a comment. So yeah, check it out. Let's just play a quick minute.
So I'd like to focus on 3 questions. First question: how important is a presence in the US to support sector re-rating for the Canadian LPs?
Putting aside the issue of re-rating, on a go-forward basis, having a major presence in the U.S. is non-negotiable for any cannabis company that intends to call itself a global leader. And so from an Aurora perspective, we are obviously watching developments in the U.S. very, very closely. We will enter just as soon as we can, as long as we are not violating federal U.S. law, and as long as we're not damaging our relationship with our exchanges, the NYSE and the TSX. And by the way, we're actually not waiting until things change on a regulatory basis in the U.S. We've already entered through our spin-off company, Australis Capital, for which we have a back-in right, and that is already assembling a suite of attractive assets and capabilities in the U.S. On a go-forward basis, the U.S. and the European Union will be the largest cannabis markets, both consumer and medical, and we intend to be leaders in both of those.
Okay, and so you touched on that somewhat.
You heard them. All cannabis companies that want to be a global leader has to have a major presence in the US. And that's the reason why Aphria raised $350 million US. They just closed the private placement offering of $350 million US. So it's clear that Aphria wants to enter the U.S. market. Aphria right now is neutral. It's not really trading anywhere. But as you can see, Aphria does not have a very dilutive stock compared to Aurora. They have a $2.63 million market cap. If you take the total asset, Aphria total asset, they are on par with the market cap. So if the stock price does dip to $9 or $8, it just makes this company, in my opinion, undervalued because it has a smaller market cap than their total assets. I'm not talking about shareholder equity, their total asset, because this convertible debenture is nothing more than debt unless it gets converted into shares. But in the future, I'm assuming that this will get converted. Moving forward, I don't know if this is going to be the bottom or if it's going to keep going up. I have no idea. I could make another position now, but you know, I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna wait, and I'm gonna be careful. If Afria runs, then that's great. I make some money. Then I'll look for new investments. But if the entire cannabis market tanks, then at least I have some dry powder to buy stuff on sale. Canopy, another update for Canopy. Canopy does not seem to want to drop. Cron, same thing, doesn't want to seem to drop. Investors are starting to back it up. Australis is down 1 cent today. Australis is kind of funny. I don't know why I have Australis up here, but you know, it's just like BAM is like rising so much, but Australis is like sitting there. Oh, you know, investors just don't seem to care. Logo kind of neutral today. I wonder if it's sitting on my lucky number. I wonder if it's gonna move today. My assumption is Largo is gonna move to the downside a little bit. I think it's gonna pull back, but I could be wrong. Maybe we'll have another nice little rally today, but who knows? The market is slightly down today. Not too much to report about that. I don't know why I have Afria's up here. And I have my Disney is up today, $34.16. So I didn't make a mistake when I bought it at $2 and $130, because I was right. It just it's gonna keep grinding up and up, because Disney is competing with Netflix, or they are entering a new market that Netflix has dominant. So that's the reason why. Madman seems to want to trade flat today. No excitement, no news, nothing on Madman. Though that's probably the reason why. At the end of the day, Madman could drop to below 371. It could drop even lower. It can go all the way down to 365 or even lower. But the lower it drops, in my opinion, the not financial advisor, the more attractive price point it becomes if you do believe in the company. I mean, I don't believe in the company per se, but I believe that there are companies out there that would want to acquire Madman. At least this is my opinion. Acreage holdings, I also believe that the lower acreage holdings go, the better of an opportunity it is, because acreage holding is linked to Canopy, but it's not 100% official yet, because they only announced a definitive agreement. So this is not official. Acreage holdings Aurora Canopy does not own acreage holdings yet, or have a contract that has the right to own acreage holdings yet. But I do believe that contract will go through. Shareholders will vote on it, and it will go through. But that's just my opinion. Harvest Health pulling back from such a strong day yesterday, kind of expected. Australis is down a penny. I don't get it. BAM is up so much, but Australis is like, we don't care about Australis. We'll just keep selling off our stock. BAM has a higher market cap than Australis now. That just kind of makes no sense. But whatever. That's the market sometimes. Market is makes no sense sometimes. My assumption is there are huge money backing up BAM. People are not backing up Australis because they don't care too much or something. I don't know. Either that or shorters are trying to keep the price down. I have no idea at the end of the day, but whatever. That's life. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this is not 10 minutes yet. That is amazing. I thought I would at least make a 10-minute video. Madman down at a penny. Canopy up a penny. Up 11 cents. I honestly believe that in the next 3 months, sometime in the summertime, we're gonna hear some big news from Afria and Aurora regarding some U.S. nice acquisition, maybe even from CanTrust. What is CanTrust doing right now? CanTrust is up 4 cents. CanTrust, I'm thinking CanTrust is CanTrust also raised 200 million US dollars. So my assumption is they're gonna be going into the US too, but I could be wrong. I could have bought CanTrust, but I believe in Canopy more. I mean, I think Aphria is the better company to invest into, especially because Aphria had a big drop, and CanTrust really didn't. So maybe that's the reason why. If CanTrust went to $6 or $7 or $8, definitely be eyeing it and buying a lot more shares, but it hasn't. It's been holding the price very strong. But anyways, it's a 10-minute video now. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.